Finally got situated here in Japan. Caught up on the jet lag and everything, so definitely well rested now. Time check, 8 o'clock in the morning. Get some breakfast. So I guess one of the things you have to do when you come to Japan is visit a shrine.
Very nice.
Very first shrine is
Just watch out.
It's beautiful out.
The locals, how they do their greetings.
What's that open? So what are you thinking? I say straight, right?
It's a big park, baby. It reminds me similar to Hummingbird Gardens.
Where's it?
Right there. Read this one.
Rinse your left hand.
Rinse your right
Rinse
hand.
your right hand.
Read again, baby.
Rinse your left hand. Yep. Switch hands. Yep. Now rinse your right hand.
Yeah, they do wedding ceremonies and pictures. So beautiful. It's like the goal of the architect.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
Making wishes. Please write down your wishes and prayers as mentioned below.
No, right here. Right
Place an envelope with some money as your token offering. First thought, what do you think?
I like it. It's very beautiful.
I do too. I enjoyed it. And you're not going to see this back in the US. Look at that. Really nice though. I'm going to walk down real quick, baby. After I down into the picture. Barrels of sake wrapped in straw. We don't really know like what the protocol is, you know what I mean? So
Like you said, I didn't clap harder like the lady.
yeah.
The guy looked
No,
at me, the
it's
security
okay.
guard like, I was like, sorry.
They know tourists are just trying to admire it. So, I mean, what can you do? Shrine number 2. Very nice. We are officially in Harajuku. One day it's raining and pouring, the next day we're getting ice cream before lunch.
That's so cute.
Stay real. You want boba from Wendy's? Found them green tea Kit Kats. Those are just more like knick-knack stuff.
Much pink.
So we are now in Shibuya, looking for a place to eat. Need a little break from shopping and sightseeing. It's getting crazy again now.
Like, babe, did you see that?
Conveyor belt style sushi. Hopefully it's good. It looks good. I guess we'll see.
Please order C.
Sea urchin. That's what I want, right?
Where?
Put on there.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Best sushi had in a long time. Back to shopping. More shopping. Sightseeing.
See more?
Shibuya Naga. What is that? Kit Kat sake?
Yeah, this is right there. Gentle taste of sake. But
Instant coffee.
is it cool? It's like was it Bailey's? But this is in green matcha.
So we ended up at some very weird arcade or game station. What did you want to check this place out? Place is packed.
See that?
Burger King.
Yeah, look at it, right?
Halfway around the world and we still managed to find American restaurants.
But they're different. Just remember, they're very different. Like Times Square. Ain't too much in like this
Yeah,
stuff.
right. This is way bigger than Times Square. Times Square is small compared to this. Feels like we keep walking and still not be able to see everything here. You good, baby? We're still in Shibuya. Spent 7-8 hours here and still didn't see everything. I think we're at back at the crossing. Yeah, this is definitely the crossing. Shibuya crossing.
Going the crossover. There's one left or right?
Yeah, a lot of people here. That was ridiculous. So ridiculous. Where is it?
Right there, the dog. There's Starbucks right there. One more time.
What's your name? Nari. Nari, okay. Nari, yep. Shinjuku, Washington Hotel? Okay. Okay. Finally back at the hotel. Need a break. Definitely need a break. What's wrong?
I like the car. I want the car for the van.
That one? That one, it suits you like your dad. So we're gonna go home or back to the hotel to take a break, but back out here venturing off, seeing what Tokyo's nightlife.
Traffic walk hour.
Oh yeah.
Hour.
Crazy busy still. Pretty interesting, everything's lit up. And we're not even in the heart of the city yet. Wow, that's amazing, look down there. So we're gonna check out a couple shops that you want to check out and then eat and then explore them. Lights, 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 number lights everywhere.
Make a left or right?
Left. Well, we want to cross the street whenever we can, right there. Nice.
行為は禁止です。怪しい、不自然と感じたら
golden guy. But you gotta come here to appreciate it. It's like, you know what I mean? Very, very.
This is not sightseeing guest bar. Sorry.
Very different from everywhere we've been lately. It's a little overwhelming, all the different bars and little shops you could pick, but it's definitely something you should see. I have no idea where we are at, but the food smells amazing.
Good.
Food was good, really good.
Couldn't eat chicken geezer. Honey bun did. Woo.
It's getting late, so I think we're gonna head back and call it a night. But it's fun. Good night.
Good night.